Can't see, it's right there. Alright, ready? 10 minutes and then you can talk and I won't care as long as it's appropriate. Alright, back table, 10 minutes. And then actually the next 2 days we're just reviewing for the quiz that's on Thursday. So you can talk. You'll have 30 minutes today in the next 2 periods to talk. Yes. Yeah, no. Alright. How can... Did we? No. How can we verify two functions are inverses? Alright, here we go. Let's get started. If, remember this is not fog, it's f of g of x equals x. So if f of g of x equals x, so if you take g of x and plug it into f of x and it comes out to x, and g of f, remember these are compositions, equals x. So if you plug in g into f and it comes out to be x, and then you plug in f into g and it comes out to x, guess what? They are inverses. They are inverses. What? It's not that big. It's within the lines. This one is wide ruled. So I think that's why. Alright, 2 examples. Example 1. Are these inverses of each other? Speaking of our Canadian friend, where is she? Not here. That's why I asked, where is she? So, all right. What? She went back to Canada. Actually, it's really warm there. The guy I golfed with on Saturday said it's like 7 degrees.
That's warm?
That's Celsius. It's Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So that's like 40s. What? No. All right. I try. Saturday, I'm not sure what I did was golfing. Exactly.
You know how many thousands of dollars are wasted on planting like certain grasses that you don't get started?
All right. Kate, you're dropping in the sister pole, okay, rapidly.
Did I say one half?
Yes.
One half?
Yes, 1/2 x minus 5/2. In the early pole, you are dropping. So, not that you care, but
What is it? 5?
it's 5/2, 5/2. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take g of x and plug it in for f of x. So we are going to do f of g of x. So we start off with f of the function of x. So how are you so confused? We haven't even done anything yet. It's not fog. Alright, here we go. So we take f. F is 2. We replace the contents of x. What do we replace it with? G. What is the content of g of x? 1/2 x minus 5/2. So that's what g equals. Nice to see you again. Plus 5. Did you go to Canada and come back? Did you walk to Canada and come back?
Why are we not saying Canada?
It's a golf course thing.
Oh, I was like, wait, Canada doesn't sound right. I was like,
Neither do Canadians. Alright. Sorry, I'm here to amuse myself. Yes. Alright, what property do we have to do to get rid of the parentheses? Alright, so what is 2 times 1/2? 1x. All right, 2 times negative 5 divided by 2 plus 5. What is negative 5 plus 5? So we have an x left. So we know that we received an x when we plug g of x into f of x. So what do we do now? The other way, we take g of x and plug f of x into it. So now I'm going to go over here. Don't do it. She was thinking. No, my watch. All right, so we start off with, I'm going to write it under it because I ran out of room. I was writing too big apparently. So we start off with g of x. So we do 1/2. And wherever we have an x, we replace it with f of x. So 2x plus 5. And now we keep going. Minus 5 halves. What property do we have to do to get rid of the... Okay. What's half of 2x? 1x. And 1/2 times 5, 1 times 5 is over 2. Yeah, don't do that. You could, I guess it wouldn't matter. And the negative 5/2 we just dropped down. Time for some advanced math. What's 5/2 minus 5/2?
0.
So what are we left with? Did we get x on both of them?
Yes.
So what's my answer? Are they inverses? Yes. All right, just because life cannot be easy, let's try one more. Do you want to try it on your own or you want to do it together? What? All right, example 2, f of x equals x squared plus 5. G of x equals the square root of x minus 5. All right, where are you at, Ty?
I'm good.
All right, so we start off with f of g of x. So we'd start off with f of x, and wherever we have an x, we replace it with g. So I'm going to put this in parentheses. Square root of x minus 5 squared plus 5. So now we're going to take square root of x minus 5 and multiply it by itself. And now we're going to do distributive property. Square root of x times square root of x is square root of x squared. Square root of x times negative 5 is negative 5 square root x. Negative 5 times square root of x is negative 5 square root of x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. The plus 5 does not go away. It's still there. All right, what's the square root of x squared? Just x. Good job. Negative 5 square root x minus 5 square root x is negative 10 square root x. And 25 plus 5 is 30. Annalise, can I simplify that any more? Just say yes or no. You do know. No, I cannot. So, do I need to go any further?
No.
So my final answer for this problem is or no.